Welcome to Rajasasila Holistics. Today in the law of attraction, the final phase I am going to teach you. I think a small recoup I will tell you that law of attraction is the very greatest law in the universe to attract and manifest things. In this you have to eliminate your negative feelings and have positive feelings that you can manifest things. And second thing, you have to clear your space, your mind, body and soul, and protect your aura during this session. This has to be done every day. And third thing I have taught you is that you have to be in the state that you have achieved it. Now the final stage, how actually you will be doing the law of attraction process. For this you need a quiet place where you can sit and do the law of attraction manifestation. Take a paper and write whatever you want to manifest. Don't overdo, like jumbling too many problems in one go. Take one by one which you feel the most important one. Take that problem which you want to solve, or take that topic which you want to manifest, either of it, and sit in a quiet place where you can focus and concentrate on yourself and the manifestation process, and sit and write what actually you need. Write it in the positive and affirmative sense, that tense, that I have achieved so and so on this day. You write it clearly without any negative points. Don't say that I am not having this, or I want this, or not in that way. Just you write that I have achieved this and I am very happy about it and I thank the universe for it. So you will be writing that and put your signature there, and when you finish off and keep the pen aside, at that second, at that moment, think that you have achieved it. That's it. If you are going to be in that state of happiness, even initially for even 5 to 10 seconds is enough. Slowly you will gather that feeling and you can take up to 5 minutes, 10 minutes. It's up to you. However your capacity allows it to you. This is the process which many people have got it, and this is the easiest way of manifesting things. They do this for 45 days to 90 days according to your problem. This is the way of manifesting, guys, that I have taught you. So now I want to tell you, some people are as such that they don't have the inner capacity for manifesting things through law of attraction. For them, I am going, from next week I am going to teach how to manifest through vision board. That is also equally very powerful thing, but for that you don't need the inner capacity or to meditate and all. For some people who find it difficult, for them that will be very good. Or if you want to do both simultaneously, that also you can do to manifold the power of the law of attraction. So quickly we will go into the readings. Let's check the energies for Virgans this week. If you have not subscribed our channel, kindly subscribe. In the health context, you are getting Ace of Cups, very good. Career, business, finance, Page of Swords. And relationship, you have got the Moon. And this time I am taking affirmative cards for you. You are getting I am in the right place. In the health context, Ace of Cups getting is a good card for you. This says some new information will come to you, or new help will come to you, which will help you to boost back to and bounce back to your health. Alternatively, some incident will make you very, very happy that you forget all the discomfort of your health and bounce back to health. We can give 90% positivity. And in career and business, finances, Page of Swords says this is the time that you have to watch and take decision don't take rash decisions. That's what this card says. There are some things which are really not that good that you have to see and take decision. And if you are in job or in some profession, it says that any decision at this point of time taking will be risky, so you need to think over and take decision. And don't trust any new person. That's what this card says. We can give 60% positivity. And in relationship, the moon is a card which says that things are really not very good as you think. What it appears is not like that. Some third person involvement is there who wants to create problem in your life. So you have any third person coming in your life or getting themselves involved in your life, better avoid them. Or somebody is telling you that this is not good, that is not good. They are not telling this for your good, they are telling that for their own good. So think over it and don't take anybody's decision for granted. Think nicely and take decision. This is not the time for any major changes in your relationship, because the time is not that good that you may not take a appropriate decision. That's what this card says. In overall, in one word, I have to say that means that things are not as good. So this period you have to go submissively, only 20%. The universe message is that the universe has placed you in the right place now. You are not in a wrong position, but things may not appear to be perfect now, but it will become perfect. You just have to wait and trust in the universe energy. Let's see what this Tiktomancy has to say. Who being loved is poor. See, whether you are financially well off or not, love when you have in the fullest, you are the richest person. That's what the Tiktomancy says. So you need to love unconditionally to get love. So if you are undergoing a lean period now, just wait. The universe message is you are in the right time, you are in the right place now. You have to just wait for things to unwrap on its own for your highest good. So be patient, guys.